Welcome to Think a Tank. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Today we will see how we are downloading the Arduino software. I'm clicking on the Google Chrome. Type Arduino on the Google page. Once you type the Arduino Home Install Arduino IDE page will open. Click on the Install Arduino IDE. Once you click on that, Download and Install Arduino IDE page will open. In that, scroll down. You will get under the Windows, download the latest release. Click on that. So once you click on that, the file gets downloaded. You can observe on the top right corner. Now I'm going to the downloads. In that, I can clearly see that Arduino is being done. It's already downloaded. I'm double clicking on that. Click on agree. Click on anyone who uses this computer and click on the next. It will ask whether do you want to allow this app to make any changes to your device. Click on yes. For the license agreement, click on I agree. It will ask where it has to be stored. I clicked on C. Yes, install. Now the Arduino file is being installed. You can observe it. Once the green line finishes, the Arduino software is installed. This Arduino projects is now trending for the school projects, for the high school projects, and even for the engineering students. So now we are going to deal with the Arduino projects. For the first step, we are going to download it in this way. You can follow the same instruction to get downloaded. Once the green line finishes, the Arduino IDE software is downloaded. You can observe it on the screen. Now see the completing Arduino IDE setup. I am clicking on finish button. So as soon as you click on finish, the Arduino page will get opened by itself. So it is taking some time for it open. Now the predefined code is already written, void setup, void loop. Now I am going to show how we can increase the font size. By clicking the preference in the file option and increase or decrease the font size, you can able to decrease or increase the font size in the page. So now I did to 20, so the fonts are decreased. Now I'm again increasing to 26. Now the 24 I increased. Now the font size again increased. You can observe that clearly. Now, in order to start with the Arduino projects, you suddenly need Arduino Uno board as well as USB cable for it to connect it to laptop. So I have both of this. I am going to connect this with the laptop. See the port, you can observe it is same as how you connect your mobile with the charger. Yeah, I connected it. Now I'm connecting the USB cable to the port of the laptop. You can observe it. Yeah. Once it's connected, the Arduino Uno board will start blinking like this. Once it gets blinked, it's sure that it is working properly. Now, how we are going to set up in Arduino software? Select board, you have to click so that the Arduino will pop up. In that COM file is already selected. You can cross verify by clicking on the tools option board. In that Arduino is already selected, Arduino Uno. And also by going to tools and port, it's already selected COM. Whichever the port you have opted, that port will be visible. That's all with the D. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for upcoming Arduino projects. Thank you.